Hey there, welcome back to the Creative Faith YouTube channel. I am Hillary and I am so glad that you are here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I set up my micro happy planner for February and probably into a little bit of March too. So I started making these last year. This is the first one that I put together and I love these so much. They're perfect to take on the go, or if I just want to jot something down really quick, I use these. I write grocery lists on them and quick little to-do lists or places I need to go for errands, and they are adorable because they're so cute and tiny. So I have a whole playlist where I have all of the setup videos, and I'll link that playlist in the description box below. So this is the first one I made, and it was like a spring summer one, and then I made a fall one, and then I made a Christmas one, and this was a really cute one. I love how it turned out. I made my first ever washi dashboard, and I also bought a happy planner punch, and so it made this process a lot easier because before I was hand punching and snipping little holes like you see here. So now, well, normally it takes me a lot less time to put one of these little guys together. So definitely check out those other videos. I'm going to set these aside and show you all what I did for February. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So this is just so precious, you guys. I love how it turned out. Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday after Christmas, and I don't know, I just love the month of February. It's my birthday month and Valentine's Day and my wedding month too. So I think I'm going to post this after my wedding, but I'm getting married on February 1st. So it is an awesome month. And so I wanted to show you guys how I set this up. So I made my own covers. Go like this so you guys can see them. So the background paper is from the Planner Society. They are a planner subscription box. This was the March set, I think, from 2019. I got it on super sale, and so I have been loving using it. Really beautiful patterned papers and planners supplies. I also use a lot of the Planner Society stuff in my Bible journaling as well. And then, so one of the things I like to do when I'm like starting projects is collect supplies that I think will work. So I went through all my washi stash and pulled out all this Valentine's washi. I went through my papers and stickers and my printables. So if you guys don't know, I have an Etsy shop where I sell printables. I have a lot of printable kits. All of the artwork is all my own. I made I do all the designs and drawings and stuff like that. And so I used a few different sets. So one of the sets I pulled is called Embrace Love, and it has really cute images, so that's where both of these images are from. I also pulled, but I didn't end up using, this is a freebie. I have a ton of freebies on my blog, and this one is Produce in Me. So it's the Fruit of the Spirit, Love. And so this would be another really awesome set that I almost used, but like, look how cute the key would have been. Maybe I need to make another cover just in case. So this is Produce in Me, Love. So that was another set I pulled. Another freebie I have is called Fall in Love with God's Word. It has all of these really cute like book images and heart images, and my friend Minerva actually collaborated with me on this, and this is for free on my blog. And then lastly, this is a really cute set called Release Love. I really wanted to use this girl on it, but she was too big. I should have printed her off on smaller paper, but I was being lazy. So I will link those 4 things. So this is the Release Love in my Etsy shop. This is a freebie on my blog called Fall in Love with God's Word. This is Produce in Me, Love, another freebie, and then Embrace Love, a printable in my Etsy shop. So I'll link those 4 down below. And so I used, again, these 2 elements from Embrace Love to make the front and back cover. I laminated them, and I also added like some little sparkles in it some kind of confetti that I had, and so I just thought that looked kind of fun and different. And I put this cute picture of my fiance and I, my almost husband, in the front, and then in the back I have a picture of my mom and dad and sister and I. So I love having those little pictures in here just to remind me of my sweet family. This is a really cool idea that I thought of. This is a name tag holder. So it's a name tag holder that you would like clip or something to your shirt. And so this one was from church and it was broken, so I cut off the broken part, so that is like a pocket, and then I hole punched it, and so it makes this really cute pocket that I think turned out adorable. And so I just have that in the front. And then my friend Robin last year had sent me a bunch of Valentine's stuff, and so one of the things she sent was this cute little washi sample, so I thought I could use that to decorate my pages. So that is a really fun idea, again using a plastic name tag holder. Next, I thought it would be kind of cute to use an old playing card to do my calendar setup, and so that is what this is. I decorated the backside, and this is a printable from my shop. It is a planner, habit tracker, bullet journal printable, and so it comes with all of the different months already set up, including leap year, so you could do that, but I wanted to have it be pink numbers for Valentine's Day, and so I set up February with this, with just filling it in by hand. And then this is also from that set. One of my favorite things to use while setting up these micro happy planners are Avery Tabs. This is, they're called Avery Ultra Tabs, and they actually just came out with brand new ones. And so these are, there's one more, the brand new ones. So there's this jewel tone, and then this is glitter sunset, and this is like a pastel muted glitter. And so Avery sent me a couple of these to check out and share with you all, and I will link these on Amazon below. The great part is that they are removable, so I can remove them and use it to set up a different thing, or put it in a different planner or in my Bible or anywhere else. So that is awesome. So if you have never tried out the Avery Ultra Tabs, definitely check it out. So I labeled that with monthly. I decorated the back side. Look on the sunny side with these pretty flowers. This is one of the happy planner, like they come wrapped in plastic, and so I took the plastic and I just added some sticky notes. So definitely be resourceful and use the packaging to create fun things. And so this is a cute little sticky note holder. Here is a card from someone's Etsy shop. It was Growing Meadows, but she closed her shop, but I still have a lot of her cards and stuff. And then this was my fun little Valentine's washi dashboard. I used different hearts and bows to do this dashboard, and it says to buy. And so this is where I'll put grocery lists and things I need to remember to pick up from the store. And then I decorated the back side with one of the images from my Embrace Love set. And I just love this girl holding and hugging the world. What a good reminder for us. I use these little notebooks the most for grocery lists, and so I added this fun bow clip so I knew exactly where to turn for grocery lists. So then this is something that I had put in my winter one, and I wanted to transfer it over to February. It says she believed she could, but she was tired. So she rested, and you know what? The world went on and it was okay. She knew she could try again tomorrow. And that was really important because it's right in front of my must-do list. So this is where I put to-do lists. This is another one of those new Avery tabs. And I decorated this little Project Life card, and this element is from the Fall in Love with God's Word free printable in my blog. And so I put that, and it says collect moments, not things. And then this is a little magnetic bookmark so I know where to turn for my to-dos. The next section is my weekly section, and I use this fun little tab, and I have this washi tape that has the days of the week on it. And so if I am on the go, or if it's a really busy week, and for me, like when I rewrite things down, it helps me remember them more. So I'll copy over what's in my happy planner into here if I wanted to really remember what was going on during the week. Next, I have my Etsy category, and this is obviously from the Release Love printable in my shop. I just thought it looked really pretty with the background, and this is one of the little new tabs from Avery. Love those. And then this is like one of my favorite ones that I did. I use these stickers and it says Shine Bright. And so I purposely picked this one for my Etsy shop because that is what Creative Faith is. That is what my Etsy shop is to me, is a place where I can release love and shine the light of the Lord. So then I can take notes on projects and things I want to do for my Etsy shop. And then the next category is Faith. Again, this is one of the new Avery Tabs. And I added the balloon art from my Release Love printable along with that. And then I added a sticker that says Walking on Air. And then this is also from the Release Love set. And so I can do a little journal or write a verse there. And then this little card is from Brianna Showalter's Etsy shop. And so I can write out prayers or Bible verses here. The next section is purchases, and I am currently doing Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University, and so I thought if I wanted to keep track of what I'm spending, this would be a good spot. Okay, next I attempted to make another set of covers for this, and it kind of worked. But I just thought it was too Christmassy. So it could be for Christmas or Valentine's Day, but I just didn't love it as much as this cover. But I thought it was cool, so I put one of them in as kind of a dashboard in here, and I can save it and maybe use it next Christmas as a cover or next Valentine's Day if I wanted to. And I added this little label. It says currently. And here's another one of Brianna's cards, Love is Kind. And this was a part of a micro happy notes, the first one that I got, and it was on super sale. It was like $1 or $2 for micro happy notes, and it had all of these cute little things in it. So goals, happy mind, happy life, spot for some journaling or pictures. And so I thought that would be fun to kind of have in the back if I wanted to do some scrapbooking. And then this, my friend Susan made for me during the Candy Shop Planner Conference. And so it has some washi tape on it, and I love, love, love washi tape. So you guys, that is it. That is my February micro happy notes setup. Again, I'll probably use this into June and maybe even, or into March and maybe even April, because I just think it's so cute. And yes, it is like Valentine's-ish, but really we should be loving and focusing on love all year round, not just on Valentine's Day or in February. So definitely give this video a thumbs up, you guys, if you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification. I don't want you guys to miss out on any of my awesome videos that I have coming up and scheduled and planned. So many fun things in store here in 2020. And let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this? Did you like this little setup? Are you a fan of Valentine's Day? Are you not? I'd love to hear from you, and keep the conversation going in the comments below. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description box, including to those sets in my Etsy shop and the freebies, you guys. There's tons of freebies on my blog that are perfect for your planner or Bible journaling or scrapbooking. So definitely check those out too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.